Hello, Miss.
Hello, hello.
Miss,
Hello, Miss.
why do we need beans?
It's
Hello, Miss.
math class because we are going to be solving some exercise and I wanted you try to count them.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, it is going to be more easy if you counted and use beans that instead of coloring or drawing. Okay. Here we go, people. So, well, welcome again. So as you know, we have been working. Yesterday, we were learning about how to identify the what is the name of the thing that is
Identify the
leftover, the leftover. So when we have like a leftover in a division, that is, what is the name of that?
dividend.
No.
Dividend.
No.
Remember.
What?
Divisor.
No. Someone say the
Dividend.
word. No,
Dividend.
someone say the word.
Dividend.
No.
Hello, Miss.
Hello.
Question? Renewable.
No, that is for science.
The topic that you said.
Yes, the topic.
Means the beans are for science.
No, are for
No, it's for math.
They are for math.
Me, how do you say? Reminders.
Yes, Elena, reminder. So now you're going to find out, Sophia, what we are going to use that, okay? So we're gonna keep working with the reminder because we have some exercise where we need some beans. It's going to be more easy to use some beans than drawing or coloring or something like that, okay? So because I know that take you too much time to you to like, Miss, I haven't finished drawing or something like that. Can you see the screen? No. Yes.
Yes. No, yes.
Yes.
149.
Yes, 149. So we're going to, okay. We have this, the remainder. Remember the remainder is the number that is left over. So if I have 9 beans and I need to divide those 9 beans into person, in one multiple and a multiplication of 2 is close to 9.
What, Miss?
10.
No, it's bigger.
2 times 9?
8.
2 times 9 and
2 times 3.
18?
2 times 3 is 6.
No, 2 times 3. No, 2 times 4. 2 times 4.
2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So if I had 9 beans, and I need to divide those 9 beans in 2 groups, how many beans everybody should have?
8.
8.
4.
4. So 4 beans are for Jasper and 4 beans are for Bruno. So how many is left over?
1.
So this one becomes in my remainder, okay? So, well, in here, we are going to use the beans. So if you are going to place those beans into your book, okay? Let's see.
Place it.
Yes. So over there, you already have the circles. You already have what we need to do. In this case, we have like, we need to make a division of, in the dividing. Remember that divide means to break apart, to separate this number in the same amount of numbers in the group. Okay, in a group of 3, I need to divide 10. So everybody should have the same number. So I need to divide 10 times, sorry, 10 divided by 3, sorry, 10 divided by 3. So it means that I need to look a multiple in the multiplication of 3 that is close to 10, because I need to divide 10 beans into 3 students. So how many beans should be in each group? Take your beans, and count 10 beans. Everybody take 10 beans from the cup that you have, and then say,
Please, is 3 times 3.
So 3 times 3.
It's
Okay.
9.
Okay, 3 times 3 is 9. So how many is missing to reach the 10?
1.
So it means that my reminder is 1. Okay, that is my leftover. It's my reminder.
Miss, where do we find those circles? Where do we find those circles?
What do you mean?
Me, I think that we're going to say email. How do you say que donde vamos a encontrarle los círculos?
Okay, if you see over there, you don't have the space, guys. You can draw the circles in your notebook. Okay. Or you just can imagine that you have 3 circles over there. Just try to think or make the group of beans that you need to do. You don't need to draw, guys. Because if you see over there in the page 149, you have a lot of division there, and there is no space, okay? So you can make beans into groups. Here we go. In the next one, the exercise 2, it means that I need to divide, so 28 is going to be divided by 5. In the multiplication of 5, I need to find a multiple in the multiplication of 5 that is close to 28. What number in the multiplication of 5 is close, what multiple is close to 28?
The 5 times 5.
5 times 5, very good. 5 times 5. So, and my reminder is, how many is missing to reach to 25 to 28?
3.
3. If there is someone that don't understand what we are doing, ask question, because I can see your faces that you are like, what is talking that means? What is she saying?
The face is like, what? What is this?
I can see that faces on you. I know, guys, you don't have the circles on the book, but I made it like this because I want that you identify. So if you place, you need to count. I need you that you use the beans. Estoy segura que no están usando los beans. No necesariamente tiene que dibujarlos en el cuaderno, solo fíjese, ¿cuántos círculos tengo aquí yo? 5. Quiere decir que tengo que hacer, si es en la tabla del 5, en la multiplication of 5, I need to find a number that is close to 28. What number is close to 28? And I'm going to start 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 3, 15, 5 times 420, 5 times 5, 25. Ah,
Me,
like
I
that.
know the answer. 5 times 9.
Hmm?
5 times 9 or 5 times 8 is close to 20. What?
No, that's 45.
No, I'm sorry. I confused me. I think about the table of 2.
Okay. So I need you guys that you use the beans. Look in the exercise number 3. It means that I need to divide 5 times into 6. So the number 6 is telling me the group of that I need to do. So I need to have 6 circles or 6 groups. Because in the multiplication of 6, I need to look for a multiple that is close or it gets me 15. So let's think about the
6 times
multiplication of 6.
Porque 6 times 3 is
6
Miss?
times 1.
Miss.
6
Six
times
times
1 is 6. 6.
6 times 2.
There is
12.
12.
6 times 3.
18.
Nah.
And what is the number that is close to 15?
18?
18. 18
12.
higher.
12.
12.
12.
12.
So it means that I need to place how many beans, how many groups of beans you need to do?
2.
You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 6 groups of 12. Okay, what it means that in 2 times 6 or 6 times 2 is 12, and my remainder is how many numbers, how many digits or how many beans are missing to reach to 15?
3.
3.
3. Okay. So José Andrés, Camila, Sebastián, Abigail, and Leah.
Now remember that
Guys, you that you haven't participated. Let's make number 4. 11 divided by 3. In the multiplication of 3, I need to find a number close to 11. 3 times 1?
3.
3.
3 times 2?
3. 6.
6.
6.
3 times 3?
9.
9.
3 times 4?
12.
12.
I know.
This is 9. It's
Is
9.
9 the number?
It's 9.
Yes.
12.
3 times 9?
It's 9. Yes.
It's free. It's free.
It's 3. So 3 times 3 is
3 times 3 is 9.
9. So it means that how many beans I need to place?
3.
No, in each I have 3
9 beans.
in these 3 groups. 3 beans. 3 beans for in each one.
Yes.
Okay. So and I have a remainder?
Yes.
9.
9.
9.
No.
Yes.
No.
How many is missing to reach 9?
2.
2. My remainder
Remainder is 2.
is 2. Okay. Now you understand what we are going to do? Be honest. Be honest. I'm going to ask again. Everybody understand what you're going to do in the next exercise?
Yes.
Only Andrea understand?
Yes. Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Yes. Yes, Miss.
En Adrián, en Amelia, en Camila, en Dariel, en Daniel, José. There is a lot of people that you don't even open the microphone. It means that you don't understand.
Miss, I say que Miss, I say understand.
Okay, so you are going to do by your own the next exercise, okay? From 5 to 8. From 5 to 8. In the next exercise, you need to divide the 29 beans. 29 beans. You need to look for 29 beans.
Miss, I don't understand.
Ah. You see? You see? Somebody else that don't understand? Be honest. Chicos, sean honestos. Yo no voy a regañar a nadie porque no haya entendido. Mi trabajo es explicarles, despejar dudas, y lo digo en español para que quede claro y todos entiendan. Y no vayan a decir después, es que la Miss no explicó, es que no le entendía a la Miss, es que no sé qué fue lo que dijo la Miss, porque pasa. ¿Ok? Eso pasa.
I don't understand topic, Miss, too.
No tienen que tener pena por no entender. Por eso están en la escuela. Si todos entendiéramos todo, no existieran las escuelas, ni los maestros. Ya naciéramos con todo el conocimiento. ¿Ok?
I don't understand because I go to for my things.
Ujú. Ok. ¿Usted tiene su cuadernito ahí? Ok. Todo mundo va a hacerme en una página en blanco en su cuaderno 4 círculos. 4 circles, así como lo ven acá.
Okay.
Okay, I want you to understand that
But
I
for
am
circles, I'm
¿Qué
sorry.
pasó, Lauren?
That if I four circles big or 4 circles little.
Did you see how are the circles over there? It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Tienen que caberle los círculos en la página, Lauren. Usted se preocupa por cosas que en realidad no tienen importancia. Haga 4 círculos, más o menos de 4 rengloncitos. Tome 4 líneas y hace los 4 círculos. O hace de 3. La cosa es que usted pueda, que quede dentro del círculo, los beans. Okay. So I want you to understand this. We are going to be dividing this number, this number, this number, okay, and this number, okay? Those are the numbers that we are dividing. Dividing, what it means divide? Divide means to break apart, to separate, to put them in different groups. What number is telling me the group or the number of groups that I need to divide this number? Well, we're going to be using colors that you identify. 4 is telling me that I need to divide 29 into 4 groups. 5 is telling me that I'm going to do the same with 34. 3 is telling me that do the same. And 7 is telling me to do the same. Okay, so if you don't understand by groups, okay, I'm going to use kids. I'm going to use Litzy. I'm going to place in here Bruce. Okay, Amelia and Camila. So imagine that I had 29 candies or 29 chocolates or 29 popsicles or 29 strawberries. I have 29 strawberries and I want to share my strawberries with Litzy, Bruce, Amelia, and Camila. So how many students I have?
Four.
Four. How many strawberries I have?
29.
Okay, so how can I solve this problem? There is a multiplication of 4, and this multiplication of 4 can help me to find how can I divide 29 into 4. So 4 times 5?
1.
Is it
Four,
20.
20.
I need more, right? And 4 times 6?
24.
4 times 7?
28.
28. And I had 29. Because if I go to 4 times 8?
It's 28.
28.
4 times 8.
32.
So what number is close to 29?
28.
What multiple of 4 is close to 29?
32.
Oh, it's 28.
28.
Chicos, guys, boys, girls. When I say multiple, estoy buscando el número que yo multipliqué por 4. Yo no les estoy preguntando la respuesta. No estoy hablando del 20, no estoy hablando del 28 o el 24. ¿Cuál es el número que multiplicado por 4 me da 28?
7.
4 times 8.
7. Miss.
4 times 8.
7. 4 times 7.
4 times 7.
4 times 7. So 4 times 7. So I'm going to show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many strawberry I'm going to give to Lizzie? 7.
7.
And to Bruce?
7.
7.
Amelia?
7.
Okay. Camila?
7.
So it means that 29 divided by 4 is 27, right?
Yes.
Okay, I had 27. So I multiply this by 7. So 29 minus 27. Yeah, sorry.
Maybe it is 28.
Yes. Sorry. So I have 7. And 29 minus 27, 28, sorry. How many digits is missing? 1. So it means the 1 is my remainder. Okay. So, do you remember when I told you study the multiplications every day because they are very important for division? Now, if you don't know the multiplication, you're going to have problems to make divisions. If you know the multiplication, it's going to be easy for you to understand divisions. Now we're going to the next.
But now I understand, Miss.
Okay. So in the multiplication of 5, I need to find a number that is close to 34.
33.
Okay.
30, but what is the multiple of 30?
5 times 7.
5 times
5 times 7.
5 times 6. 5 times 6.
7.
5 times 6.
5 times
5 times 6.
5 times 6.
Andrea, don't do that. Do not write on the screen if you haven't asked me for permission. Okay, thank you, darling. So it means 5 times 6. Okay, so 5 times 6 is?
30.
30.
No, it means that I'm going to give 6 stickers.
Miss, can we paste the beans in the book?
Can you what?
Can we paste the beans into the book?
No, no, with glue, no.
Okay.
No.
Miss,
Mhm.
for what are the circles in the notebook? I'm sorry.
Easy paper.
Yes.
Thank you, Diego. Thank you so much. I say that like a lot of times, but you don't pay attention. So what is my remainder if 5 times 6 is 30? What is my remainder?
30.
Remainder mean leftover, the numbers that are.
Remainder is the 4.
Exactly, because I only give you 30 start to 5 students, okay? Let's continue with 25 divided by 3. Mm-hmm.
One multiplication from the 3 is 3 times 7.
3 times 7 is?
21.
And 3 times 8?
24.
24, very good, very good. So 3 times A is 24. It means that I'm going to be given how many?
Giving
4.
8.
A. So I'm going to be giving you 8 chocolates.
8.
Okay.
8 hertz.
So I give this to Jose, Joseph, okay, and Darwin as an example. I give them 8 chocolates, okay, chocolates. And what is my remainder in here if I have the 8 times 3 is 20? 20 what?
24.
And my remainder will be?
That your remainder will be 1.
1. Okay, so how can you identify the remainder? You can put it outside of that circle. In here, you see, I can place 4 that is outside. I have them outside because they are not part of any group. They are outside. So let's now divide 20 divided by 7.
But it's 7 divided by 20.
No, baby, it's 20 divided by 7. There are different ways that you can, these two are the ways that you can divide. You can use this symbol or this way, and you write the dividend and the divisor like this, or you can write it like that, okay? There are 2 different ways that you can use, you can represent divisions. So, In the multiplication of 7, I need to find the number 20. Leon, tell me. Leon, I haven't listened your voice in a while. Leon, in the multiplication of 7, Leon, 7 times 1?
7 times 5.
7 times 5, and how much is 7 times 5?
35.
So, but I am looking at multiple that give me 20, and 35 is more. 7 times 1, Leon?
7.
7 times 2?
14.
7 times 3?
21.
So 21. 21 is higher, is bigger or fewer than 20? Mhm. So what will be the best multiple? 7 times 3 or 7 times 4?
7 times 3.
7 times 3?
Yes.
Okay, let's see, Daniel. Are you agree with Leah?
Is 7 times 3?
7 times 3.
Remind 1.
That 7 times 3 is 21.
And it's more than.
It's more than 20.
Miss, I know.
I know. Easy.
Too.
It's easy.
Okay, at the count of 3, everybody just tell me how much is 7 times 2. 1, 2, 3.
14.
14. So 14 is close to 20 because 21 is higher than, okay? So I'm going to write 2. It means that I'm going to, if I have 20 lollipops, I'm going to give 2 to my 7 students. 2, 2,
And 2.
2, 2, and 2.
Finally 2.
And then if you count it, you have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So how many I have in remainder?
The remainder is 5. 2.
Is 6,
6.
because 14 plus 6 is 20. So my remainder is 6. Okay?
Miss,
Yes?
do you know the time that is? You know
I
the
know what time it is. So we're gonna stop in here. In the next class of math, the next week, we're gonna continue working with division. All this way long.
Miss, we're going to continue with these, with the beans.
Yes, you're gonna use the beans.
Okay. Bye, Miss.
Okay.
Bye, Miss.
Bye, Miss. Bye, Miss.
How do you say entonces las voy a dejar guardadas para la otra semana?
Yes. Keep it there. Keep it there because you're gonna need it. Okay.
We're going to
See you.
my mom.
See you.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.